Alright, I just got this new Golf Pride reverse taper putter grip delivered to me today. This is the grip I'm replacing, a Super Stroke, I think they call it a Flatso, and it's mine is a 2.0. And this one I just want to kind of do a little bit of a comparison here for you. Putting down the flat side to flat side, let's see, let's go this way. I'll have to hold this. I mean, they're about the same length. And this is the large, by the way. I think they come in a couple of different sizes. At any rate, you can see this one is probably, I don't know, a 1/4 inch higher at the end. And it's about the same at the other end, maybe a little bit higher there too. The flats, I'm just going to say that they're about the same real estate when it comes to that. Because of the reverse taper, you can see that on the end here. If I can get this over here so you can see what I'm talking about. If this gets a little narrower, the Golf Pride gets a little narrower, and it's obviously then a little wider at the end. But that, let me see if you can see that. Yeah, it's just, it might be, where am I? Right there. Might be just a hair wider at the end, but it's definitely fatter. This part here is wider than the Flatso, and this being perfectly uniform, where this has got that taper look to it. So I'm going to stall it on my putter and we'll see what the difference is. It definitely feels better here. You know, it's rounder, more round, I should say. And so I use a left hand low when I putt, and that's my grip right there. So I kind of like that feel. Got to get my lifeline kind of right along that upper part. So I think that that's going to be the way it goes for me. I think this will be a nice grip. So I've had this one probably now for 2 years, and let me get the new one installed, and I'll come back and let you see how it looks on the putter. Thought I had that tape plenty short, but I didn't. Alright, I'll make sure this is lined up. I had the flat going with the flat of the putter. I mean, some guys do that, but I don't want it that way. I want this flat perpendicular with the face of the putter. And that looks good right there. So I'll let that cure. I like the feel of that. Let me tip the camera down a little bit here. Yeah, I like the feel of that. Well, today is Saturday and I don't play golf until Monday. So we will give it a try and see what happens, but that's what I'm doing. I'm replacing my Flatso 2.0 with the Golf Pride reverse taper. We'll see how it looks, or how it feels out on the course. Thanks for watching.